If you've ever searched for pelvic floor muscles exercises, you'll quickly realize that Kegels is one of the most popular pelvic floor muscles exercises out there. There are, however, other great exercises for your pelvic floor, and in today's video, we'll be sharing 4 pelvic floor muscle exercises for men. These pelvic floor exercises help men who've had prostate surgery recover quicker, reduce the risk of rectal prolapse, improve bowel and bladder control, and helps with sexual function. As with all forms of exercises, be sure to speak with your healthcare provider before starting any new routine. The first pelvic floor exercise on our list is called the rapid squeeze and release. It helps strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and helps boost their ability to respond quickly. It's a simple exercise that involves sitting in a very comfortable position and locating your pelvic floor muscles. Some easy ways to identify your pelvic floor muscles include imagining that you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream or trying to avoid passing gas in public. The muscles you use in achieving these are your pelvic floor muscles. After identifying your pelvic floor muscles, squeeze them quickly and release the muscles, just like the name of the exercise says. Rest for 3 to 5 seconds after each squeeze before beginning another squeeze. Repeat 10 to 20 squeezes for each exercise session and try to do this up to 3 times daily. Number 2, narrow and shallow squats. They're a perfect exercise for strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and most importantly, your pelvic floor muscles. The great thing about squats is that you can do them using your own body weight. It is important to note that not all squats strengthen your pelvic floor. Therefore, doing the right kind of squats is important to get its benefits. The right squats for your pelvic floor muscles are narrow and shallow squats. To do this, stand with your feet hip width apart while keeping them flat on the floor. Bend your knees as if trying to sit in a chair to bring your butt toward the floor. Be sure not to bend your knees over your toes and go only as low as is comfortable for you. Lean slightly forward while keeping your back straight. Concentrate on tightening your butt and pelvic floor muscles while returning to a standing position. Repeat these 10 times for 1 exercise set. Get some rest before attempting to do any additional sets. If you're getting value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest health facts every single week. Number 3, bridges. Bridges are not just for whittling your waistline, helping to relieve back pain and improving your posture. They also help to strengthen your core and butt muscles, which in turn helps to support and strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. To perform a bridge exercise, lie on your back while bending your knees with your feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. Place your arms on your sides with your palms facing downward. Contract your pelvic floor muscles and butt while lifting it several inches off the floor and hold this position for between 3 to 8 seconds. Release your pelvic floor muscles and butt while lowering it back to the floor. Repeat this about 10 times for 1 set of this exercise. Get some rest and do an additional set of 2. As your pelvic floor muscles gain strength, you'll be able to do more repetitions and sets of this exercise. Number 4, Kegels. This may sound very much like the rapid squeeze and release exercise, but unlike the rapid squeeze and release, where you have to sit, Kegels can be done either standing, sitting, lying down, or crouching on all fours. To perform Kegels, get in any one of the aforementioned positions, whichever one you find most comfortable, and visualize your pelvic floor muscles. Tighten these muscles by imagining you're lifting and squeezing them as much as possible, and hold for about 3 to 5 seconds. Release the muscles and let them rest for a few seconds, and then repeat this up to 10 times. For more in-depth information on Kegels and their benefits to your pelvic floor, click the link in the pinned comment below. And if you got value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest health facts every single week.